One of IGNITE Pathways' #1 goals is to help close workforce gaps in industry. And we knew that this was a need in the robotics automation industry. So we also really strive to create new and exciting experiences for students that they haven't had before. So we reached out to Acieta and we wanted to learn more about the organization and goals that this company has. And after talking with them and us sharing our goals and hopes for the future, we realized this would be a really good partnership and a great opportunity for students. Exposing high school students to robotics and automation is extremely important. We need to prepare them for future careers that they may want to explore. But through the robotics and automation experience, we're also cultivating those skills and knowledge needed for them to thrive in our technology-driven world. I know students will get real-world experience from this course, and I hope that they are engaged in their learning through the hands-on nature of the class, and I hope that they create excitement for the industry. But ultimately, I hope that we can spark a passion in students so they can experience technology and engineering beyond the walls of the classroom.
So introducing high school kids to robotics at an early age helps decide what direction they want to go.
Getting kids to dip their toes in robotics will help them see that robotics is a good field for them and see that it's a very good career choice for them. So getting them to see it all early on, it makes their decision on where they would want to go to school and what they would want to do with their life a lot easier. Yes, if I had something like this when I was a kid, I would have been able to advance more in my career quicker because I would have known exactly what I wanted to do.
The benefits of this program for our students are they're going to get that exposure to the industry, see what's out there, what robots do, and see that there's robots local to their town or their state, and it's not something that's around the world. It's right here they can make an impact on it.
We are creating an opportunity for students to gain skills and knowledge, explore different career paths, and ultimately creating a pipeline for students to either go into a post-secondary program or go directly into the workforce. Either way, we are definitely impacting Southwest Iowa and closing some workforce gaps.
Robotics is only going to continue to grow in the future. The number of robots sold in this country go up every year. So there's going to be a demand for technical people that can program robots, can operate robots, and this is a way we can get that out there at an early age.